Has life pranked you and your drone batteries were dead or half charged, or you were heading out somewhere and they just weren't charged because you didn't have a 12-volt charging system? Oh, you do now. Let's see what we got in the box. If I can find out how to open this sweet box. What do we have here? It's a little hard one-handed, but ooh, here we go. 12-volt charging. And we can plug all 3 units in. Let's see. Pause this for 1 sec. And we're back. This is sweet. So the 12-volt charger, you can plug in and have your remote charging. And you can plug in both batteries. And you can be charged on your way to go fly. No more worries. Amazon, like 20 bucks. You have to use your own cord here, but hey, it works. No more worrying about if your batteries are charged. They are charged. Boom.